Hi everyone, and welcome back to Tourist Trial. In this video, we will be exploring the top 10 most affordable countries in Europe to visit. Whether you're a student, a retiree, or just looking for a budget-friendly vacation, these countries have something for everyone. So, pack your bags and get ready for an adventure. Before continuing the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell icon to see more of our videos. Number 10. Albania. Welcome to the stunning country of Albania. Whether you're a budget-conscious traveler or simply looking for an affordable destination, Albania is the perfect place for you. This hidden gem of Europe offers breathtaking scenery, rich culture, and an unforgettable experience at a fraction of the cost. Take a stroll through the historic capital city of Tirana, and marvel at its vibrant mix of Ottoman and Italian architecture. Explore the ancient ruins of the Illyrian city of Berat, also known as the City of a Thousand Windows. But that's not all. Albania also boasts an array of stunning beaches along the Adriatic and Ionian seas. Relax on the white sands of Dermi, a hidden paradise on the Albanian Riviera, or visit the lively seaside town of Saranda. Food lovers will also find plenty of affordable options, with traditional Albanian cuisine including dishes such as bajrak, a savory pastry made with phyllo dough and filled with cheese, meat, or vegetables. Number 9. Serbia. Where you can experience a rich cultural history, breathtaking natural beauty, and affordability all in one. Serbia is a country that truly has something for everyone. And the best part? You don't have to break the bank to enjoy it all. So pack your bags and join us on a journey through this amazing and budget-friendly destination. From the bustling city of Belgrade to the stunning mountain ranges in the north, Serbia is a hidden gem that is waiting to be discovered. Whether you're exploring the vibrant streets of Belgrade or taking a dip in the stunning Lake Vlasina, you're sure to find plenty of things to see and do in this wonderful country. One of the must-visit destinations in Serbia is Novi Sad, known as the cultural capital of the country. This charming city boasts a rich history and an impressive collection of historic landmarks, including the Petrovaradin Fortress and the stunning St. George's Church. Another must-see destination is the stunning Plitvice Lakes National Park, where you can find an incredible array of natural wonders, including cascading waterfalls, crystal-clear lakes, and lush green forests. Number 8. Greece. From ancient ruins to stunning beaches, Greece offers a wealth of experiences for travelers. With its rich history and stunning natural beauty, Greece is the perfect place for those looking for a budget-friendly vacation. One of the must-visit destinations in Greece is the Acropolis of Athens, where you'll be able to see the iconic Parthenon Temple and other ruins that date back to the 5th century BC. Standing at the top of a hill, the Acropolis offers breathtaking views of the city below. Another popular destination is the island of Santorini, famous for its stunning sunsets, crystal-clear waters, and charming villages. This romantic getaway offers a glimpse into Greece's rich culture and history, with its whitewashed buildings and blue-domed churches. For those interested in beaches, Greece offers some of the best in Europe. Whether you're looking for a secluded hideaway or a bustling beach party, you'll find the perfect spot in Greece. Number 7. Portugal. A country where breathtaking natural beauty and rich history come together in perfect harmony. From stunning beaches, rolling hills, and picturesque villages, to the vibrant city of Lisbon, Portugal offers a wealth of affordable travel options. One of the must-see destinations is the historic city of Porto, famous for its iconic bridge, historic churches, and delicious port wine. And, with a variety of affordable accommodations and delicious food, you can enjoy all of Porto's beauty without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a beach getaway, head to the Algarve region, where you'll find miles of golden sand and crystal-clear waters. And, with affordable activities like surfing and kayaking, you'll never run out of things to do. So, why not escape to Portugal for an affordable adventure filled with stunning scenery, rich history, and unforgettable experiences? Number 6, Slovakia. With its stunning natural landscapes, rich history, and charming cities, Slovakia is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. From the quaint old town of Bratislava, to the towering peaks of the High Tatras, and the rolling hills along the Danube River, Slovakia has something to offer for everyone. The country is also home to an array of cultural landmarks, including beautiful castles, intriguing museums, and lively cultural events. And the best part? All of these amazing experiences can be had for a fraction of the cost compared to other popular European destinations. When it comes to food, Slovakia won't disappoint. From street food and local markets, to cozy cafes and gourmet restaurants, the country's cuisine is a fusion of traditional and modern flavors that are sure to please your taste buds. And if you're looking for some adventure, Slovakia has plenty to offer, from thrilling outdoor activities such as hiking, skiing, and rafting, to tranquil spots for relaxation and rejuvenation. Number 5, Czech Republic. Discover the beauty and charm of the Czech Republic on a budget-friendly adventure. From historic cities, to charming villages, and breathtaking landscapes, this Central European country has so much to offer. Prague, the country's capital, is a must-visit destination. Explore the city's ancient streets and buildings, including the famous Charles Bridge and the Prague Castle, all while admiring the stunning views of the Vltava River. But the Czech Republic is more than just Prague. The Bohemian cities of Český Krumlov and Kutná Hora offer a glimpse into the country's rich cultural heritage. Stroll through the cobbled streets and admire the beautiful Gothic and Renaissance architecture. For those seeking outdoor adventures, the Czech Republic has plenty to offer. From hiking in the Šumava National Park to skiing in the Krkonos Mountains, you'll find opportunities for adventure at an affordable price. And let's not forget about the food and drink. Try the traditional Czech cuisine, including meat-based dishes and beers brewed locally. So pack your bags and experience an affordable, authentic, and unforgettable adventure in the Czech Republic. Number 4, Poland. One of the most affordable and stunning destinations in Europe. From its rich cultural heritage to its breathtaking natural scenery, there's something for everyone in this beautiful country. Discover the history of Krakow, the former capital of Poland and one of the oldest cities in the region. Stroll through the historic old town, with its beautiful Gothic and Renaissance architecture, and visit Wawel Castle, the former residence of Polish monarchs. Take a break from the city and head to the Tatra Mountains, where you'll find some of the most breathtaking natural scenery in Europe. Whether you're an avid hiker or just looking for a peaceful escape, you'll love the fresh mountain air and panoramic views. For those who love art and architecture, visit the city of Gdansk, known for its beautifully preserved old town, including the iconic Neptune Fountain and St. Mary's Church, the largest brick church in the world. Whether you're exploring the historical and cultural sites, soaking up the sun at the beaches, or wandering through the picturesque countryside, Poland offers an affordable and unforgettable adventure. So, come discover the beauty of Poland today. Number 3, Hungary. From its vibrant capital, Budapest, to its thermal baths, vineyards, and rolling hills, Hungary is a country that has something for everyone. In Budapest, you can explore the iconic Parliament building, stroll along the Danube River, and take in the city's stunning architecture. The thermal baths are a must-visit, offering a relaxing and rejuvenating experience in the heart of the city. If you're a wine lover, Hungary is the perfect place to indulge your passion. The country is home to many vineyards and wineries, where you can taste delicious local wines and learn about the winemaking process. The rolling hills of Hungary are also a delight to explore, with hiking trails that lead you through forests, meadows, and villages. Here, you can take in the stunning natural beauty of the country and discover the local way of life. So why not book your trip to Hungary today and experience an affordable, authentic, and unforgettable adventure? The country is waiting to welcome you. Number 2, Romania. This historic country offers a unique blend of medieval fortresses, rolling hills, and beautiful beaches. With a rich cultural heritage and a vibrant nightlife, Romania is a must-visit for all travelers. One of the highlights of Romania is its stunning capital city, Bucharest. Known as the Paris of the East, this city is filled with grand boulevards, stunning architecture, and world-class museums. And the best part? You can enjoy all of this without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a more laid-back experience, head to the stunning countryside of Transylvania. This region is known for its rolling hills, medieval castles, and quaint villages. Take a stroll through the cobbled streets of Siasora, visit the impressive Corvin Castle, or relax in the thermal baths of Baile Felix. Another must-visit destination in Romania is the Black Sea coast. This area is famous for its sandy beaches, crystal-clear waters, and affordable resorts. Spend your days soaking up the sun on the beach, trying local seafood, and exploring the nearby fishing villages. So what are you waiting for? Book your trip to Romania today and experience an affordable, authentic, and unforgettable adventure. Number 1, Bulgaria. A country that blends ancient history with modern charm and offers a truly affordable travel experience. With its rich cultural heritage, stunning natural beauty and vibrant cities, Bulgaria is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to explore Europe on a budget. Bulgaria boasts a rich history, with ancient ruins and monuments that are just waiting to be discovered. Take a stroll along the stunning Black Sea coast, visit the iconic Rila Monastery, or wander the streets of the historic city of Plovdiv, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The bustling capital city of Sofia offers a mix of modern and traditional, with plenty of museums, galleries, and shopping options. Relax and rejuvenate in one of the famous hot springs, or escape the city and explore the picturesque countryside dotted with traditional villages and vineyards. Bulgarian cuisine is a delicious blend of Balkan and Mediterranean flavors, with plenty of fresh ingredients and traditional dishes to try. Visit local markets and sample some of the delicious local produce, or treat yourself to a delicious meal in one of the country's many restaurants. With its rich history, stunning landscapes, and delicious cuisine, Bulgaria is an affordable travel destination that offers a unique and unforgettable experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your trip to Bulgaria today.